love can, yes I do. I love can, how about you?
Hi boys and girls, I'm teacher Aaron from Can English. Welcome to my LLI lesson. Today our story is baking. Boys and girls, I can bake many things. What can I bake? I can bake cookies. I can bake bread. I can bake pizza. I can bake a cake. I can bake many things. I like baking. Baking. We baked the pizza. Boys and girls, how does pizza taste? Yes, that's right, very good. Pizza tastes yummy. Very, very yummy. We baked the bread. Boys and girls, what can you make with bread? Yes, that's right. You can make sandwiches with bread. We baked the pies. Friends, what can you bake in a pie? You can bake apples. You can bake cherries. You can bake grapes. You can bake many things in a pie. We baked the brownies. Boys and girls, what's in a brownie? That's right. Chocolate is in a brownie. I love brownies. We baked the cupcakes. Friends, how many cupcakes can you see? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can see 6 cupcakes. What color are the cupcakes? Yes, they are pink. We baked the cookies. Boys and girls, how many cookies can you see? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can see 8 cookies. We baked the cake. Friends, what color is the cake? Yes, very good. The cake is yellow and green and red. How does the cake taste? Yes, that's right. The cake tastes sweet. S-W-E-E-T. I can see cupcakes, cookies, cake, brownies, bread, pizza, and pie. Boys and girls, now I am very, very hungry. How about you? Are you hungry too? Boys and girls, I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.
I love can, yes I do. I love can, how about you?